frequency that makes the spirit heal. Through the dark of the grid, a steady signal stays, guiding the true believers out of Babylon's maze. Driving through the neon roads where the corporate engines sleep, carrying a vision that runs 1,000 fathoms deep. They try to cloud the atmosphere with artificial noise, but the amplifier wakes the town and balances our drives. Feeling pressure building inside the driver's seat. Oh, 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 get ready for the moment when the heavy forces meet. Reggae EDM sound system blasting through the car. Bass boosted vibrations taking us so far. 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 20 straight through the dark, leaving on the asphalt a permanent spiritual spark. No time for hesitation along this empty street. We're riding with the purpose that makes the journey sweet. The words are our direction, the rhythm is our shield, until the inner sanctuary is perfectly revealed. Let the low frequencies handle everything you know. Everything is clear when you let the bass line flow. Reggae EDM sound system blasting through the car. Bass boosted vibrations taking us so far. 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 20 straight through the dark, even on the asphalt, the permanent spiritual spark. Keep your perspective high. Safe travels on the road. The concrete is humming underneath the heavy wheel. We trigger the frequency that makes the spirit heal. Through the dark of the grid, a steady signal stays, guiding the true believers out of Babylon's maze. Driving through the neon roads where the corporate engines sleep, carrying a vision that runs 1,000 fathoms deep. They try to cloud the atmosphere with artificial noise, but the amplifier wakes the town and balances our joys. Feel the pressure building inside the driver's seat. Get ready for the moment when the heavy forces meet. is clear when you let the bass line flow. Reggae EDM sound system blasting through the car. Bass boosted vibrations taking us so far. 2026 frequency running straight through the dark. Leaving on the asphalt a permanent spiritual spark. Keep your perspectives high. Safe travels on the road. Step into the future. Let the sound system bass rule. Windows roll down, the wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. No looking backward now, the highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundaries, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city seas. We carry ancient wisdom inside the polished mix, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fix. The headlights cut a path through the heavy valley mist, following a rhythm that is impossible to resist. Like Reggae EDM sound system running through the car. Ultimate bass boosted vibes taking us so far. Keep car music rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. We don't need no validation from the things they try to sell, when the clarity inside the sound is working like a spell. So let the amplifiers warm the cabin from within, as the true awakening of the frequency begins. Feel the tires hum against the concrete floor. Open up your mind and let the rhythm pour. Like Reggae EDM sound Step into the future. Let the sound system bass roll. Oh, 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 oh. Na 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 na. Windows roll down. The wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. Hey, no looking backward now. The highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundaries, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city seas. We carry ancient wisdom inside a polished mix, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fix. The headlights cut a path through the heavy valley mist, following a rhythm that is impossible to resist. The Reggae EDM Sound System running through the car. Ultimate bass, boosted vibes, taking us so far. Keep our music rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. We don't need no validation from the things they try to sell, when the clarity inside the sound is working like a spell. So let the amplifiers warm the cabin from within, as the true awakening of the frequency begins. Feel the tires hum against the concrete floor. Open up your mind and let the rhythm pour. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. La Reggae EDM Sound System running through the car. Ultimate bass, boosted vibes, taking us so far. Deep car music rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. Full sound system session complete. Keep the alignment true. Bless love on the road. Dum, 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 dum. The world outside is rushing, but in here we slow the pace. Letting the subwoofers align the inner space. to your very core. A conscious sound system hitting straight down to the floor. The dashboard displays a gentle neon blue embrace as we navigate the quiet streets and leave a lasting trace. There is an absolute medicine hidden inside the low frequency, restoring our awareness to the way it ought to be. Get ready for the shift, feel the rear view start to dance. We plunge the entire vehicle into a conscious trance. The Reggae EDM Sound System flowing through your spine. Bass, boosted, calm music, keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising through the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal spiritual spark. No complicated theories, no heavy words to fight, just absolute alignment with the rhythm of the night. The music is a shield that keeps the heavy stress at bay, washing all the clutter of the modern world away. Let the system shake the dust from off your heavy chest. Give the overworking mind a much deserved rest. The Reggae EDM Sound System flowing through your spine. Bass, boosted, calm music, keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising through the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal spiritual spark. Cabin pressure, therapy complete. Stay grounded. Yeah, 2026 configuration. Let the sound system open up the road. Hey, hey. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out a joyful root strain, washing all in modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the skies. Like Reggae EDM Sound System, making spirits rise. Bass boosted car music underneath the skies. Welcome to volume sinking right beneath our feet. The music is an engine that is powered by the soul, bringing us together, making our intentions whole. Feel the rhythm revving inside the stereo brain, unlocking all the beauty that the busy daytime hid. Reggae EDM sound system, making spirits rise. Bass boosted car music underneath the skies. Welcome to Volume 1 cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Bam, 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 bam. Hey, hey. Hey, yeah. 2026 configuration. Let the sound system open up the road. Leave the worry far behind. Leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joyful root strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. Play Reggae EDM sound system, making spirits rise. Bass boosted car music underneath the skies. Welcome to Volume 1 cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Hey. Every mile we cover is a celebration sweet, feeling the foundation shaking right beneath our feet. The music is an engine that is powered by the soul, bringing us together, making our intentions whole. Feel the rhythm revving inside the stereo grid, unlocking all the beauty that the busy daytime hid. Like Reggae EDM sound system, making spirits rise. Bass boosted car music underneath the skies. Welcome to Volume 1 cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Like Reggae EDM, like Reggae EDM. Light year 2026 configuration. Let the sound system open up the road. spot stretches out into the vast and open space. We find our true direction in the rhythm's warm embrace. Our timeless frequency. A timeless frequency that the modern world can't erase, restoring complete balance to the human race. By the dashboard light and steady high beam gleam, we travel through the country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy, overworking intellect a rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound. When the roots of the culture are completely profound, down, down, down. When Reggae EDM Sound System for the conscious mind. Bass boosted, calm music, leaving stress behind. 2026 vibrations floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine, eternal spark. We trace the line of heritage that stays forever young, singing out the message that the older souls have sung. So let the amplifiers and the law the heavy weight as we cross the boundary into a peaceful state. Ram bam 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 bam. Listen to the silence hidden deep inside the sound, where the positive vibrations are always found, 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 found. Reggae EDM Sound System for the conscious mind. Bass boosted, calm music, leaving stress behind. 2020 tweaks vibrations floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine, eternal spark. Safe travels on your highway.